Hey everybody, so something a little different this time. I'm up in Queensland to do some work and I'm just taking a stroll along the Brisbane River while I pass some time. Anyways, guess you're coming along and seeing what's up. Let's get going. So that was the Riverside walk. I started at the gas works and now I'm at some random elevator near some reserve. Anyway, that's the Story Bridge just behind me. Walked a bit over 5Ks. As you can see, it was a fairly easy walk. I had to cut through suburbia a bit to get here, but you know, when you're walking around with no plan, that's what you get. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.